great unboxing videos. Today I look what I've got. Casio G-Shock, another one, and it's the G650 model. Yeah, you were thinking that is the Bluetooth model, but no, it's GB. It's G650, and but I want to say that it has the same chassis like the Bluetooth model, but it's something different. So let's unbox it and see what I have got. These are the warranty cards. Please take care, you can say intensive care of these. These are very important. So this is the module, and you need a very great guts to read that module. So I'm not going to read that. I don't have got guts. Just joking, guys. So this is the very great tag. It's all says like shock resistant, magnetic resistant, 200 meter water resistant, auto light, world time, 1/8 second stopwatch, speed indicator. Everything is just in this bloody case. This is a case. You can see, guys, it's like shining in the light, and it's a very great case. Gray in color, not in black, and I love this gray also, though I'm a great fan of black, but still this is a beast, guys. You should admire that. It's great. This is the Casio G-Shock, and you can see that it's copper in color. It's not golden. I must repeat, it's copper but not golden, but have the same, you can see the same chassis like the Bluetooth model. The difference is this: it's not G-Mix. Just this is a difference, and a difference of the price tagline, and it's approximately 1000 lesser than the G-Mix, and approximately $15 to $16 lesser than the G-Mix. So guys, what this watch has got is same features like the G-Shock, but you can say when you have to set the world time, and if you have set the analog time, the difference is this rotatory switch. Only this is a difference, nothing else is a difference, and the display is something different and than the previous one. Yeah, I'm wearing that. So the main difference of these both watches is you can see the dial and the rotatory switch, and the band is also resin band, and 200 meter water resistant, 1 year international warranty. All the features same. You can see in each and every feature you can say play with Casio G-Shock with this module. And this is a 400 pages module, user's guide. Please read it before buying and after buying the G-Shock. So I must say this is a very good watch, and I didn't opt for the golden for the Bluetooth watch because it had a yellow shine, and I needed only black watch, and I go through with this watch, and it was very good. And G-Mix come with 3 colors or 4 colors. I don't know. I haven't studied those colors, but in my mind there are 3 colors coming: the blue, red, and the black with the yellow shine. And I hate that yellow shine, but this copper is just fantastic. So guys, it's upon your personal choice. You want to go with Bluetooth watch, you can go with the simple, the chassis watch like this. And the more advantage of this watch is the battery life is approximately for the 2.5 years. Yes, 2.5 years. And for the Bluetooth watch, it's around just 14 to 15 months, or approximately 17 months could be the at last. And so you have to you can say change your battery. So it's upon your choice. Go with that watch, that is also good. It's upon your personal choice of the colors, but for me it's a great watch. You can say choose between those watches. And thanks for watching the video. I'm going to winding up with just this. Have a great close up, guys. This is just a sexy watch, must have it in your drawer. So guys, I will come with more unboxing videos. Stay tuned, subscribe to Mr. Miscellaneous. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Yo.